After you've signed up for an Automatically You account and clicked on the link in the validation email we send you, you're ready to get started. That consists of 3 easy steps. Download the AY client, add your social media profiles, and schedule some automated events. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that, along with providing a quick overview of how to use just some of the major features of AY. After you enter the email and password you used when you created your account and check the Accept Terms box, you're ready to sign into your new account. If you forget your password, you can use our password recovery feature shown here. Automatically You uses a small piece of software, the AY client, that resides on your computer and impersonates you, automating your social media activity. It communicates with our website and server where you manage and schedule all of your events. The AY client currently requires a PC running Microsoft Windows or a Macintosh running Parallels, and we should have a native Macintosh client soon. But the rest of Automatically You is all web-based, and you can log into the AY server and schedule and manage your activities and content from any computer in the world, including Macintosh, or a smartphone using any web browser. Let's click on the AY tab here. And then we're going to click on this link to download the client. And then we're going to click on the install package and select Run. And then click Install. If this is the first time installing the client, or if it is being installed on a new computer, it will ask you for your username and password, the ones that you use to create your Automatically You account. Please make sure to correctly spell your AY username and password, or it won't be able to log into Automatically You as you. Click the Accept Terms box, and then click OK. After that, when it is minimized, it will run quietly in the background on your computer, automating your events. You can double-click or right-click on the small AY icon in your system tray to manage or configure various aspects of the client. You can also view the Log tab or even watch it work by clicking on the Impersonate tab. We'll take a more detailed look and show you some tips and tricks with the client in a future video. But for now, you're ready to get started using AY. The next step is to add some information about your social media accounts. Click on the Profiles page. You can add a new social media account by selecting the appropriate account type. As you can see here, we currently support Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, Ping FM, and Twitter, and we'll be supporting other networking sites in the future. Let's select Facebook, giving it an appropriate name, providing the username and password associated with our Facebook account, and please make sure to use the correct credentials, otherwise we won't be able to sign in as you. The AY client that you just installed uses this information to sign in directly as you from your actual computer. And don't worry, we take your privacy very seriously and have a very secure system to protect your information. Click Save as New, and you'll see it appear over here on the right side of the screen. Let's set up a Twitter account as well, simply repeating the process, giving it a name to identify the account, making sure that you use the proper username and password, and we'll click Save as New. You can also edit or delete existing account profiles by clicking on either of these buttons here, or selecting the checkbox and clicking the Delete feature. You can manage multiple social networking accounts right from this page, and if you want to post to a Facebook fan page, your Facebook account just has to have administrator rights to the page. The Content page is where you can create your own categories and add content using our powerful content management system, which we'll cover in detail in the next video. But for now, let's show you how you would schedule your first automated event. To schedule an event, go to the Calendar page and choose the activity that you'd like to have happen. Currently, we support a variety of automations, including finding people to follow on Twitter, posting blog entries to MySpace, posting tweets on Twitter, status updates on MySpace, Facebook, and you can even post a status on your Facebook fan page. And we'll be supporting other types of automations in the near future. For this example, let's go ahead and select Post Status on Facebook. Because I only have one Facebook profile set up in AY, it automatically selects that. If I had additional ones, then you would just choose the one that would be appropriate that you want the message to be sent out from. Next, we can schedule how often we want the message to occur. Either a one-time event, every day, weekdays, Monday through Friday, weekends, just Saturday and Sunday, weekly, say every Monday or Thursday, or monthly, say the first of every month. Let's go ahead and select every day. And next, we can tell it what time we want the event to occur. Let's say 10 o'clock in the morning. Make sure that you put either AM or PM so that you aren't inadvertently sending something out in the middle of the night. You can also use our 24-hour clock if you prefer to do that. Now here's the fun part. You can either type in the message you want to go out in this text box right here, or copy or paste something from another application, including links to other websites, articles, YouTube videos, whatever you want. Or you can select from a variety of public content that we make available, which lets you send out messages on a random basis from a variety of categories like jokes or funny questions, RSS feed from news sources like CNN or Fox, or different types of interesting quotes. Our paid subscription levels provide access to premium content and additional features like the ability to select and post messages from multiple categories. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and just select Benjamin Franklin quotes. Click the Save as New. Your new event shows up over here on the right side under your list of scheduled activities, where you can view, edit, manage, and delete your various automations. That's all it takes to post a message from a category, in this case Benjamin Franklin quotes, every day at 10 o'clock in the morning. Messages will eventually repeat depending on how many messages are in a particular category and how often you are posting, so be sure to mix it up a bit. Let's create one more. We'll cover some of these in more detail in future videos, but for this one, I'll select Post a Tweet on Twitter. Notice again that since I only have one Twitter account currently set up, it automatically selected it. I'll set it up instead of one time for weekly for 1:30 p.m. every Monday. And instead of choosing something from one of our public content categories, I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste something into our text field. Please like us on Facebook, and I've included a link to our Facebook fan page. If you have a long link, you can always use a URL shortener like bit.ly.com. Save as new, and it appears over here. It lists the scheduled event over on this side in military time, regardless of whether you've put it in AM or PM time over here. Unlike other automation services, we don't identify that the message is being posted by Automatically You. That's because we're actually posting your messages as you from your computer using our AY client. That's why we call it Automatically You. Just remember, since we're posting your messages from your computer needs to be turned on and have internet access in order for our client to do its job. If you schedule something to post at 3 a.m. and you turned your computer off at 10, then it won't go out. Thanks again for watching, and make sure that you check out our other videos.